Hi, my name is Jana and you're on MEF Real Estate YouTube channel dedicated to property in UAE and in Abu Dhabi particularly. Abu Dhabi is now the hot destination for big luxury, hospitality and fashion brands, and today I will tell you about the St. Regis Residence in Maryah Island. It's something new for Abu Dhabi. It's first branded residence in this area. This is the building. It is located, as I said, in Maryah Island. Maryah is actually business district, business community. It's kind of downtown here, the office buildings of big international companies and local companies. This residence is under construction now, and completion is expected to be by the end of 2028. Now the many apartments already sold. There are some availability. Why it is interesting in investment, or maybe you're looking for something for as an end user for your own purposes. Basically, branded residences are in high demand in UAE because it's for some people, it's like trophy asset, it's a big name, it's a brand. It's also the investment opportunities which will definitely grow in the price. And it is a good option for investors who are looking for stable and long-term investment. Of course, it's a very good option for end users because of the brand, because of the quality and quality of services, and also because of infrastructure. A little bit about the location. So this is the Maryah Island and this is the residence. You can drive in through the island. This area is Al-Reem Island. It's also became financial free zone, which is allowed international entrepreneurs and businessmen to own 100% of the companies. I mean, foreigners. And this is a great connection with this area and a great connection with every single part of Abu Dhabi. There is the bridge to Saadiyat Island. Saadiyat Island is famous cultural district of Abu Dhabi. Building connected with Maryah Mall, with its name Galleria Mall. And also it has their own retail promenade. About the views, I should mention the views from this building, this high-rise building. It's 34 floors plus podium. And from this canal and the sea visible, and this Al-Reem community, which is very green and it's very nice. And this side of the building is overlooking the canals and Gulf, and also beautiful Saadiyat Island with its famous cultural district. So this is the building, 32 floors plus podium and underground parking. So this is the entrance to the lobby, and here is the entrance from the road. This is the entrance to the underground parking. The community will provide all necessary luxury infrastructure. Here is the pool and outdoor pool and indoor pool. There is also, of course, a gym and a spa center. Also, this building will provide their residents a butler service branded by St. Regis. Also, you can find the entertainment area like private cinema and quite interesting service of like dining experience with a service of private chef. St. Regis residence will be connected with Galleria Mall, and you can use it just for comfortable shopping. Just leave in the building and find you in the gallery. For now, the most of the building sold out, but still some options available. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom apartments, and 4 bedroom duplexes and the penthouse. Now the starting price is 4.8 million dirhams, which is actually a good price for this kind of level, level of residence and this brand. So you can contact us, and if you have any question, if you're interested to purchase this signature apartments in this building, and you can find all our contacts below, and also you can request the presentation. I will be happy to share and answer your questions.